My back, right?
Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, what's up? What's good with you, man? I lovelies and gents. I'm back with a hair video for you guys today, of course, because it's the Natural Hair Channel. Okay, so as you can see, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? I just got done tangling my hair. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I detangled my hair using grapeseed oil, and you can go see my review or how I feel about it in my recent video that I just posted. Okay, go watch that because it's lit. Yeah. So I gotta wash my hair, and I did a homemade shampoo, and I told you guys that I would use it and try it out and see how it works. This is a Castile soap handmade shampoo. You gotta go watch the video to know what I put in it, okay? But just know it's Castile soap. And then you got my regular tea tree shampoo. So I'll be doing one half of my head with this and then the other half with this to see the differences, see how my hair feels. You know, you guys just stay tuned for this video. Yeah. Keep watching, because I'm watching you. My back, right? Okay, so I just got done rinsing my hair.
Starting with the organic shampoo that I made. And I use the applicator bottle because it's just easier to apply to my scalp. Because when I shampoo, I focus more on my scalp. So here you can see it's not lathering as much as a normal shampoo would. But as I put it through on my hair or on my scalp, it felt very soft. It gave my hair a very soft feel. And here I'm just showing you a close-up of what it looks like as it lathers. Also, I wanted to mention, as I was shampooing, it was very easy to detangle my hair while I was shampooing it. You know, sometimes shampoo will have your hair stuck together, but the homemade shampoo definitely softened up my hair and made it so much easier to get through it while I was trying to wash it, you know, because these roots don't be budging when I'm shampooing my hair. You know, my fingers just glided through my hair. The soap left a very soft feeling, a very soft, smooth feeling throughout my hair as I was washing it. So I thought that was nice. I was like, ooh, yes. The other shampoo doesn't leave my hair smooth like my homemade shampoo did. And with this shampoo, it lathers up right away at the scalp. I just feel like when it lathers up like that, you know it's getting clean, you know. But with the organic shampoo, it didn't lather as much. But I mean, my scalp still felt clean and tingly. Yeah. So yeah, just repeat the process or whatever. You know, washing this hair it's a process. You know, those of you who want thick, long hair, just know that when you wash your hair, you're going to be in that bathroom for a minute. You're going to be in that shower for a minute. That's why I had to start washing mine in the shower, because that was going to take up all the water. Going to use up all the water. Ain't going to be no hot water left by the time I get done washing this hair. Honestly, washing my hair is the most relaxing part ever. I love washing my hair. You know, just so relaxing. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the normal shampoo that I use, and this is the side where I used my homemade shampoo. So I'm about to wash it out and see what happens, and then I may record the second wash, probably not. If not, then I'll record the ending of what it feels like. So stay tuned, okay? Keep on watching. So I'm doing a second wash. This is my homemade shampoo. This is what it looks like.
So this is the organic shampoo. This is after I washed it the second time. It lathered a lot, but it took a lot to lather. I mean, my hair still felt clean. It felt really soft compared to the store-bought. Now, the store-bought shampoo, it lathers right away on my hair pretty much, especially if I have enough water. So, just thought I should mention it. Yeah. Or whatever.
Now, after the rinse, it was very easy to rinse out, and it was a lot easier to rinse out than the other shampoo. Yeah, so I think I like it. And then you have the video bomber here. Oops, I forgot to record the ending. So yes, this is the organic homemade shampoo. Okay, so yeah, y'all probably not gonna see me finish this because, you know, as you know, I have like 1,000 and a million hair strands. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all like this video. Let me know which shampoo you like the best. I know for me, I don't really know. I don't know. I mean, I like the homemade one, but I also like the store-bought.
I like the other one.
Ain't nobody asked you. But anyway, tell me which one you guys like. Yeah. Because this will be a voiceover, you'll hear me explain everything while I'm doing it or whatever. So, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. And now, I'm out. Deuces.
So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch me make it sit. Thanks for watching this video. Come back for some more. Come back for some more, yeah. Thanks for watching. My nana ladies and gents. Stay tuned for the next upload. Oh, follow my social medias right here. It's lit.